Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an AI-powered website with Wix, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Wix website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Log into your Wix account to access the dashboard. Click on Create New Site to begin the website creation process. Choose a category that best fits your intended website purpose. Wix will then present you with two options: choose Wix ADI or Editor. Select Wix ADI for an AI-driven setup experience. Answer a series of questions about your website goals and preferences. Wix ADI will generate a tailored website layout based on your responses. Review the generated template and make any adjustments as needed. Click Edit Site to customize the design further. In the editor, explore the various features available on the left panel. Drag and drop elements like text boxes, images, and buttons into your layout. To add AI features, navigate to the Apps section within the Wix dashboard. Search for AI tools such as chatbots or recommendation engines. Select the desired app and follow the prompts to install it on your site. Customize the AI features to align with your brand and purpose. Next, ensure that your website is mobile-friendly by checking the mobile view. Edit any elements that may not display correctly on smaller screens. Preview your website to see how it looks before publishing. Make final adjustments to design, content, and functionality. When satisfied, click the Publish button to make your site live. Take note of the website URL created by Wix. Share your new AI-powered website with your audience through social media, email, or other channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.